Hi, this is Natalie Lissier, and today we're tackling a very interesting question that I recently received, and it's all about branding. And it's something that I actually asked myself early on when I was starting my business. And the question is, should you have multiple websites and social media profiles? And this is especially important if you are your business, if you are the one providing a service or a product. And it also kind of comes into play if you're a multi-passionate entrepreneur like myself, where you have a lot of different things that you want to offer the world, and you're just not sure how to structure all of that good stuff. So let's take a quick look here. And this is you and your business. So you probably have a website, a Facebook page, a Pinterest, an email list, a Twitter account, all of these different things online that you're starting to build for your online business. And the thing here at the top is that you are your business. You're kind of the umbrella that's overarching all of these different aspects of your business. Now, you might be thinking that you have a number of different interests or a number of different passions, or people can come to you for different services and products. So take, for example, a fun example of somebody who's both a knitter and an editor and a writer. So this person has two different interests. They might not seem related at all. So should this person start two different websites? Well, here's my answer. I really think that you should only start another website, another set of online profiles for another business if you plan to sell that business in the future. So if you want to create a business that's sellable, that you plan to have somebody else run for you, whether that's under your umbrella and your business's original structure, or completely just sell off and have somebody else handle, then I would go ahead and set up a whole separate profile, email list, everything, website, Facebook, all that stuff, all separate. And the reason I would recommend that you keep everything under one website if you're not planning to sell that other business is because people are there for you. Like I say here, you are your business and you are the brand. You're the one thing that's not going to change in your business. Your passions and skills may change over time, and you might realize that knitting is not the one thing that you want to do forever, but it's definitely a part of your personality, and it's definitely something that will set you apart from other writers and editors. So it's a great thing to merge the two on your website and on your social media profiles. So I do recommend that you keep it to one website and one online presence, because that will make things so much easier. It'll make it easier for people to remember you too, and remember where to send people, so that they're not sending people to the wrong website for your editing services in this example. So if you do plan to build just one brand, then using your name is a great way to go, because you can actually have everything all under one umbrella. And the one thing that's not going to change is your name. Well, it may change if you get married or, decide to change your name. But the good thing is that it's something that will not change as part of your business. Now, the one caution I do have is that you do plan to sell your business or have somebody else run it down the road, then using your name is not the best option in that case. Another benefit to using your name is that people can refer you no matter what services or how you evolve in the future. So I know for me that about every 2 years my businesses tend to evolve and change, and so that's why I think it's really important to just build your one main website, so that for search engine optimization purposes you're always getting links to your one main website. So if you're wondering where these recommendations are coming from, they come from my own experience, where I have my first online business, Raw Foods Witch. And I also have a second web presence here, which is all about my online business and online marketing, which I do here. But here's the thing. So I realized that it would have been so much easier for me to have just one website, natalielissier.com. But at the same time, I'm realizing that there's a great benefit to having a separate domain and a separate brand for the Raw Foods Witch, because I could have somebody else run this brand. I could sell it. I could find something else to do with this brand. And that's what's really important about being able to have different brands if it's not something that you plan to do long term. And also, if it is a business that you plan to be the front runner or the center stage person for the business and the name and the face of the company, then absolutely having it branded as you is also a great way to go. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and that it answered your questions about branding and having multiple profiles and online presences. So if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up on YouTube. I'd really appreciate that. And then make sure that you're subscribed to the YouTube channel because I've got more great videos coming at you every single week and I don't want you to miss any of them. You'll also want to head over to gettechynow.com or natalielisier.com to grab your free website checkup and find out what other things you might be able to do on your website to improve conversions and get more out of it. So I will see you next time.